and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tasha. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to crochet a steady back strap. So let's get to it. I am using macrame yarn as always, and I gave the specs for this yarn in my previous video. You can go on and check it out where I was showing you crocheting a bag that has a leather base. So first of all, we're going to start by making a chain. So to make a chain, you make a slip knot first. You can check out my other video where I teach you how to crochet step by step. So once you have your slip knot, then you can insert your hook and start making a chain. I am not quite sure how many loops I am supposed to make, but I'm going to be measuring with to see what the length of the bag that I want, the length of the bag strap that I want. So okay, let's get to it. So yeah, here is my chain. I don't know how many stitches that I chained, but it's the exact length that I want for the bag. So now from here, what I then do is I will make a slip stitch. I'll start making a slip stitch in every stitch up to the end of this chain. So I'll make a slip stitch. So I'll start by making a slip stitch into the second stitch. So you insert your hook and then you pull the yarn and then you pull it again. And you do the same in the next stitch. You insert the hook, you pull the yarn and you pull that yarn again. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and you pull it again. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull it again from the one loop that you have. So you continue to do that up until you get to the end of the chain. Okay, so when you are done putting slip stitch in the chain, you should have something like this. And then when you get to the end, you close your work and then you turn your work. Then you start again to put slip stitches in every loop. You are not, and mind you, you are not putting in the hole. You are not putting here under two loops like what we normally do when crocheting. You normally put your hook under two loops, but in this case you are going to put in the front loop only. You insert your hook, you grab the yarn, take it out, pull it out, and then you pull it out again of the loop that is on your hook. Then you do the same going into every front loop. You make a slip stitch until you get to the end. You close your work and then you turn your work and then you put another slip stitch again up to the end until you have a thickness of your back strap that you like. All right, so follow along as I put slip stitches into every front loop. Okay, I'll meet you when I'm at the end. I'm done putting one more row, so now I'm at the end. Then I can now join this strap on the other metal ring. Okay, like this. Okay, how am I going to join? Yeah, and then after crocheting the back strap onto this metal ring, then I will go and make another row of slip stitch into the front loop. So yeah, this is the final look of the back strap. You can see that it's very steady, it's firm. If I do find time, I will make sure that I will write down a pattern for this back strap so that you can so that I can give you guys as a PDF so that you can have it if you want to make a back strap like this. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.